If you are looking for a stylish and spacious apartment idea with a minimalist design, you might want to check out this stunning property. This two-bedroom apartment features a black and white color palette, an open space layout, a gas-burning fireplace, and a west-facing terrace with a view. Watch this video. You won't regret it. It can be a source of inspiration for anyone who wants to redecorate his own living space. Hi, I'm Lulu, your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and a newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. Let's start with the living room, dining room, kitchen area. The living room, dining room, and kitchen share a large and bright open space that is perfect for entertaining guests or relaxing with your family. The living room has a black sectional sofa, a black ottoman, two round coffee tables, and an area rug with a geometric pattern. The sofa is near a gas-burning fireplace that creates a cozy and warm atmosphere. There is also a wall-mounted TV and a low-profile cabinet for your entertainment. The L-shaped kitchen is modern and functional, with white cabinets, black countertops, and stainless steel appliances. The dining area has a round-top black dining table with four modern chairs and a black pendant over the table. The kitchen also has an oval area rug in the middle that adds some softness and textures. The apartment has two bedrooms. The master bedroom is spacious and elegant with large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The bedroom has a black accent wall, white bedding, black blanket, and purple pillows. There is also a tiny nightstand with a small table lamp. The master bedroom has a large closet that provides ample storage space. There is also an ensuite bathroom with a shower cabin, a vanity, and a toilet. The second bedroom is cute and cozy, with a single bed, white bedding, and cute white pillows. The second bedroom has a window that overlooks the terrace and the city. Here, you can see the ensuite bathroom for the second bedroom. One of the highlights of this apartment is the west-facing terrace that offers a stunning view of the city and the sunset. The terrace is accessible from the living room and has a wooden floor, a railing, and some plants. The apartment also has a small but functional laundry room that has a washer, a dryer, a sink, and some cabinets. The laundry room is located next to the bathroom and has a door that separates it from the rest of the apartment. The laundry room is convenient and practical as it allows you to do your laundry without disturbing anyone. If you enjoyed this video, please show some love by clicking the thumbs up button and sharing it with your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. And as always, if you have any questions or ideas, please leave them in the comment below. We love hearing from you and we will try to answer as many as we can. See you in the next video. Bye bye.